Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and search for books in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for the Deepstash, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing the books that are recommended to us. We can take a look at the posts by other people that we follow and so on. So let's go take a look at how to search for books specifically. So basically guys, we are going to go and be using the inbuilt explore button right here at the bottom of the screen. You have the section with all the options you can access, such as home, explore, library, and so on. So let's go and take a look at the explore tab right here. This is going to enable us to take a look at the explore page from where we can get started scanning books, and alongside scanning books we can get started diving deeper into books. So as you can see guys, if you click dive deeper into books right here, it's going to enable you to go and take a look at all the sections and books that you can go and get started exploring. So here you have your journey, such as what top CEOs read, the bestsellers, so resilience, and so on. So you can select whatever you want, and this is going to enable you to get starting this journey exploring the books from the journey. If you go back to the explore page, you can go and find topics you want to browse, as you can see right here, following topics and so on. And this is how you guys started with finding new books on Deepstash. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.